right here, ready to sharpen the knife. It goes in front of this gun. All right, Born, show us what time it is. That's how dull it is right now. Nothing. That's about to change. That's about to change for the best.
Yeah, with that concentration.
Hey.
Look at that concentration.
Yeah, hell yeah.
He's on a mission.
Yeah. It's gonna make that motherfucker sick. If I run out of bullets, I'm fine.
Oh, the focus.
Yeah. For the technique, I really should have changed the belt. It would have been faster. All right, Born. You're the best sharper in all Houston area, so we know you got it. That's too hot. I'm gonna make sure.
It's hot.
It was very dull. We dulled it before we started. So I gotta grind it to get it in. Normally it doesn't take this long. Matter of fact, let's change it. We're gonna change it. That's how easy it is. Belt, man. Let me get a belt from the supplies right here.
Let's go with one of these here.
Yeah. The blue one is for heavy duty.
Yeah.
Special occasion.
This is a real band.
Check my direction.
Daddy. Send the bell. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Go.
That's real. You know, I had to do a lot of burning. All there is to it. But the end result, without any bullshit, I made it sharper than the first one. Now we know the Romanian AK is right there sitting right next to the wine for the sharper. Gonna have a really sharp knife. It was pretty much a single bevel. I put a little bevel on the back because it was so dumb. Put an edge on it a little quicker. I know my boy Manny trusts me to do it nice like I want to do it. So let's finish it up. I'll do the back side. We don't have no half-ass bandana. Y es para cortar alambre púa aquí en abajo. Yo te enseño después adentro. 1975, Romania. Manny, let me ask Manny a question. Just shake it, yes or no? Alright.
How sharp? Do you want me to make the sharp or pussy sharp?
Sharp.
Okay. You gotta do it.
Don't get me wrong, I love the pussy.
Do the camera. Yes.
Yes.
I know you love it.
I guess the camera shy.
This is no good.
Okay. See that teamwork? That was teamwork.
That's teamwork.
That's teamwork all the way. Teamwork all the way. There's my beautiful woman right here, which is blocking the camera. I'm trying. She don't let me. And my boy here, right here, Aníbal. That's our new ride. You can see shit because it's dark as a motherfucker. But oh well. That's right. It's born to sharpen.
All right.
Finish it.
Time to go to phase 2.
Phase 2.
I guess a lot of these knife sharpeners might criticize me, but hey, it's what works for me. Everybody's got their way. Any guy that knows anything about knife sharpening knows there's a lot of ways to do it. So, I ain't afraid. I know my customers are happy.
100%. Satisfaction guarantee. Looking good.
Phase 2.
Phase 2.
We're on phase 3.
All right.
AK, bayonet.
You gotta love that. How many times you say that on your life? Bayonet.
I say it more than anybody.
Yeah.
More than most people, maybe.
Oh, hell yeah.
You gotta flip that bird.
So what will happen more if I run out of bullets?
You can have the most calmest of hearts.
Yeah.
Because you know you're still superior. You will dominate.
Once that knife is in front of my gun, huh? Oh, wait a minute. It's not a knife. What is it?
No, it's a guide.
Bayonet.
Of knives.
Yes.
And I'm gonna run it across my tongue.
Yeah. Oh shit.
So I'll prove it.
I passed. I passed.
Oh, we have to have a comparison.
Yes.
We did in the beginning.
Yeah, you passed it on the tongue. Oh yeah.
By the way, of all the videos I've done, this is the best video I've
Yes, yes. It's going to YouTube. It's going to YouTube.
Badasses are inspiring me.
It's going to YouTube.
If it's not, he's gonna get shot.
Yeah. He was already talking some serious shit. He will shot him.
He's gonna get shot with an AK47.
Yeah. You don't want that. All right. One more through. Let me focus. Let's see. Hold on. Doing the final touches. Let's see what we got. Oh my God.
That news there.
Yeah. That's about new. Oh, look how smooth. He barely moved with the hand. He's just letting gravity cut it.
You can chain with that shit.
He's just he's just letting gravity. Born, you have a really hairy fucking leg. What are we gonna do about that?
Well, we're gonna fix the hairy arm.
Oh yeah. Are we fixing that? Let's see. Look how hairy that arm is. Look at that. Hair loss treatment. Hair loss treatment. Look at that. How smooth it is.
Okay.
He's no longer out here.
That looks weird.
I mean, that's sick.
That looks weird enough.
The best sharpener.
So that's what you get.
The best sharpener.
When you call Premier Sharpening.
The best
We
sharpener.
do our best on every blade.
Hell yeah. It's the best of